Next, let's discuss about AWS CloudTrail. AWS CloudTrail is a powerful service that provides detailed logging of API activities within your AWS account. By using CloudTrail, you can gain insight into the past activities of your AWS resources, detect and respond to security incidents, demonstrate compliance, troubleshoot operational issues, and monitor the user activities. AWS CloudTrail enables you to log, continuously monitor, and retain the account activities. This is useful for auditing and compliance purposes as well as for the troubleshooting. CloudTrail can be used for security, compliance, and operational auditing purpose. CloudTrail capture the API activities from all AWS services that support AWS CloudTrail, including S3, EC2 instances, AWS Lambda, and many other AWS services. When an API is called, CloudTrail record the identity of the caller, the time of the call, the source IP address of the caller, and the request parameters like who made an API call to the AWS resources, what was the source IP address of the API call, what did the API call do, when did the API call occur, and what was the response to the API call. This information is stored in a JSON format log file in an Amazon S3 bucket, and that can be used for the auditing purpose later. CloudTrail is easy to set up and use. You can enable the CloudTrail for your AWS account with just a few clicks in AWS Management Console. Once enabled, CloudTrail logs all supported API activities in your AWS account. And you can use AWS tools and services to analyze and visualize the log data. CloudTrail can be used for a variety of use cases such as security analysis, detect and respond to security incidents by analyzing the CloudTrail logs for suspicious activities, compliance auditing. Use CloudTrail logs to demonstrate the compliance with regulatory requirements, troubleshooting. You can use the CloudTrail logs to investigate the operational issues such as change made to the AWS resources. Governance. Use CloudTrail logs to monitor the user activities and enforce the access controls. CloudTrail brings lots of benefits in managing the AWS hosted resources. With the help of the CloudTrail, you can gain insight into the past activities of your AWS resources. You can easily detect and respond to the security incidents. You can demonstrate your compliance, help you to easily troubleshoot the operational issues. You can monitor the user's activities to have the full insight who's doing what in your AWS environment.